All right, thanks for joining us on Valley News Live. We have an update as we head into the weekend on our Easter round of snow, and it will be impactful. Not as strong or long-lasting as this week's storm system, but significant snow potential. And it begins, here's a quick snapshot, in the morning hours out in western and central North Dakota. And by the time we get to, say, the midday hours between 10 and, say, 2 of the afternoon, it'll be making its way into the Devil's Lake Basin, the James River Valley, and then through the afternoon into the Red River Valley. That's when the accumulations begin. Into the nighttime, it spreads into western Minnesota. There'll be wind with it, there'll be snow, and the accumulations, as you'll see here momentarily, not insignificant. We'll talk about that in a second. Right now, let's enjoy a little bit of a break. We still have snow showers falling from the base of these clouds from time to time, even here in the FM area, Grand Forks, all the way up towards Hillsboro and northwest Minnesota. And look at this, it just continues to add injury to insult at times out to the west. Again, no significant accumulation here, just that cold northwest flow, and temperatures generally in the 20s. We have a few teens out there. Look at Wadena at 19 degrees, Bemidji and Thief River Falls also quite chilly. Now, we got some deep snow around here. We got some wind that's blowing that snow around, and really hearing from some folks in the Devil's Lake Basin, the wind's doing enough blowing of snow to keep the roads wet. And tonight they will definitely be freezing once again. So watch for that. Gusts over 30 miles per hour at times. Feels like temperatures. Yeah, it's not winter, but we have them. So bundle up. Hour by hour forecast tonight. Let's talk about our break. Cloudy. Periods of flurries. Temperatures slip into the teens for many of us. And look at this. I think we'll see some single digits in the deep piles of snow in places like Minot and in Bismarck and the Devil's Lake Basin out towards Grand Forks. Some of you may in spots get down to mighty cold readings. Down in parts of southeast North Dakota, let's talk about this graphic for a second. Got a 39 here for Fargo. We don't have a lot of snow to melt. Once that sun comes out, it's powerful and potent this time of year. Once we lose the snow, temperatures are going to rise close to 40 degrees. You got snow on the ground, you're in the 20s all day. You got deep snow on the ground, it stays cold. As we look at the areas with the lower snowfall amounts down to the south. Now, as we take a look at your forecast overnight into Easter morning, things get started. Sunrise services will bring clouds for all of us, southeast winds picking up, and snow. Look at this, purple and dark stuff, heavy at times. The cold piles of snow we have out here from Bismarck to Minot and into the Devil's Lake Basin and even Grand Forks will keep things colder, and therefore snowflakes could be fluffier and pile up a little quicker. So this may indeed be very troublesome for the folks out there, especially with the winds causing some re-drifting of snow that's already there and blocking and icing up your roads. By the time we get to the mid-morning and midday hours, the snow moves into the Red River Valley. It will just be accumulating. And by the afternoon and evening hours, it slides into western Minnesota. Notice the spiraling of the winds again, the low pressure system moving right through our kitchen on I-94. And as that happens, that track will dictate where the heavier snow bands will be. With this track, the heavier snow bands will be focused up north and maybe even into the central Red River Valley. All models don't agree on this track. We're going to keep you posted as we head into the evening and overnight hours. Our wind will switch around and the snow will continue to move through into Monday morning. There will be some Monday morning impacts for those of you who have things, and this is a look at the snowfall potential. And again, look at this. 6 to 10 inches. The plus is here because it would not surprise me with the cold temperatures out there to see a foot or more of snow. We will see the dark blue areas that get the 3 to 6 potentially. And again, this could shift a little bit. A couple models show it being more north, and we'll keep you posted on that. 2 to 4 inches for a wide area, with some of us getting a little bit more. Saturday, a break, 19 up to 39, near 40. Some afternoon sunshine and a break from the gustiest of the winds as well for one whole day. And these cattle, very thankful for that. Thanks for all of your photos. Again, our ranchers really struggling and working hard to do their very best. Planning forecast Saturday 39. We'll still be near 40 in Fargo until the snow arrives and things get a little colder into your Monday morning. Well, we're keeping things quiet. We'll do it. We will have a little hiccup move through on Wednesday. At this point, it doesn't look like a big deal, and we're watching another system for the following weekend that could be impactful as well. We'll keep you posted on that. One day at a time, I guess, is how we're taking this in weather.
That's right. At least we got a 50 in there.
There was a 50 on it.
All right. Thanks, Hutch.
Yeah.
Well,